Ew, that shit is pretty nasty. I don't think I should be breathing that. Gotta find a stick to yank this out of here, man, but it's a lot of mold right here, just in this one area. Other than that, there ain't no mold in the car. Let me see what I can do though. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day in the UK. So yo, it's been a long time. I know it's been a long time since I've been doing car stuff. So as you guys can see, if you have been tuning into my channel, we returned last weekend from our trip to Portugal, Lisbon. If you haven't been out there, man, you guys need to go check it out, man. It's definitely a lot to do with the family. The weather was nice, food was good, people was friendly, you name it, it was a nice trip. So we got another upcoming trip planned this upcoming weekend, so stay tuned and stay locked in with those videos coming. We're going to Italy, so we're gonna roll out there. We've been out there already before, but we're just trying to get away from the weather here in the UK. I don't know if it's going to be any warmer there, because obviously it is November, but at the end of the day, we definitely want to go get some good food and just get away from here for a little bit, man. So it does get a little gloomy here when it gets dark around about 4 o'clock. Yep, I said 4 o'clock. And if you guys are just tuning into my channel, I'm living over here in the UK. I am a US citizen out here working in the United Kingdom, and been enjoying it. You know what I mean? I can complain all day about the weather, man, but I've been enjoying it since we've been here with the traveling, and just a different culture out here. So if you haven't, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Go ahead and turn on all post notifications for any future videos. Today's journey is, I told you guys I've been waiting. It's been a long time waiting. I'm about to head out right now to pick up these seats for the XJ40. So I'm kind of excited about it. The chairs that I'm getting, and actually it's just the interior. Well, I would say all in all, the interior, what I'm getting from this car. So it's a crashed XJ40. It was used as a wedding car from what I was told, but it's a Daimler XJ40. So what that means, if you guys don't know, the Daimler has the seats, the front seats. On the back of them, they have the wooden tables on them. So definitely excited about that, because they're hard to find, and if you do find them, they're kind of messed up, the lacquer's peeling off of them and all that other stuff, but these are pretty much in mint condition. So stay tuned in. I'm about to head down there. As you guys can see, I'm in the Jeep SRT. Yeah, I need a little bit more space so I can carry this stuff back to the house. So pulling up to the house here shortly. Man, I had to turn you guys back on real quick to show you guys some of these roads, man. Look how small these roads are that I'm driving on. This is a one-lane type road. So yeah, for you guys that got all these sports cars and stuff like that, man, if you guys are trying to bring them over here, there are some roads out here that are made for that, but these roads right here, heck nah. But we almost there, pulling up. What's up, man? So got to this house, taking this Jag apart right now. I already started a little bit on it. Forgot to start recording, but as you guys can see, I took the door cards off already. Got this one off. I got the passenger side left to do, and then I'm gonna yank these seats up out of here. But as you guys can see, these seats are really nice. Got the wooden table. This is what I was coming here for. So I actually like that. It's gonna be a good touch in the XJ40, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to take this out of here. Yo, man, ew, that shit is pretty nasty. I don't think I should be breathing that. Gotta find a stick to yank this out of here, man, but it's a lot of mold right here, just in this one area. Other than that, there ain't no mold in the car. Let me see what I can do though. Yeah, a lot of that mold was actually crackers. Looked like it's been left in there, but obviously over years, it's probably the reason why it molded up. So I'm gonna continue to yank this door panel off. This is probably the last seat I get because there's some mold right here on the carpet. But I'm gonna continue to yank this stuff out of here. So stay tuned in, stay locked in with me. All right, so got all the door cards off. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling the rear seat out. The last thing I'll tackle is the front seats. So as you guys can see, that the back seats are bucket kind of seats. Has your armrest right here, which is really nice. If I can get it to go. Yeah, I can see, check it out. This comes up. There's another armrest there. So I'm gonna yank this seat out real quick. I don't know if I can get you guys on the camera, but maybe I can set the camera right here. It's probably not gonna work. Nah, ain't gonna work. But yeah, I'm gonna keep yanking this stuff out. I'll turn you guys on every time I get a piece out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this seat right now. Actually, I probably could set you up right here. You guys can see what I'm doing. What's going on, guys? So yeah, I got the seats about the Jag. So as you guys can see, I got them in the back of the Jeep right now. So I'm headed to the house. Glad I found this find. It's hard to find these seats with the wooden tables behind, and to actually find them in excellent condition. So the crazy thing is I'm excited I got them. And at the end of the day, I'm excited to put them in the Jag. But right now I'm working on the exterior of the Jag. I am prepping it, the body, to rewrap it. The wrap is gonna come out pretty nice. The color I got is gonna be crazy, and it's gonna match the interior of the car. So it may be a little bit of time before I throw this in there, but I will have it done before the spring. That's my plan, and because I'm ready to drive this Jag. So if you're just tuning in, this is a quick little update on my Jag XJ40 Sovereign that I've been not rebuilding, but just making it look a little bit better than what it currently looks like. And yeah, man, at the end of the day, this thing will be pretty fire. Ain't gonna be another one out there like it, I tell you that much. So it's got a little bit of Sovereign in it, a little TWR in it. It's got a little bit of Daimler in it. It's just a mixture. It's my own little piece that I'm making, and it's gonna come out pretty nice. So other than that, man, if you haven't smashed that button, go ahead and give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications for any future videos. You already know the saying. I'm gonna cut this video short because there ain't much more to it, but to do it. Other than that, Sauna's Lifestyle, and I'm out.